Happy Saturday, everybody. Woo! It's a damp camp Saturday, but it's already more outside than we thought we'd have.
Yay! We have a fire.
We got a fire going.
That's amazing.
Yep. We brought the bins of kindling up from the cabin and some of the extra scrap wood that we had over there. So we got that unloaded this morning. We've kind of just been sitting around. Kaitlin and Brad are coming to visit for the day, so we're kind of waiting for them to get here. They'll be here soon. And then who knows what we'll do today. We'll find out. May rain. Chances are of a thunderstorm, but could just be a game day, could be a explore day. We'll find out. Well, that lasted about 5 minutes. We sat out by the fire, had it nice and ready for about 5 minutes. If it doesn't rain harder than this, I think we can keep it going. You think?
I don't know.
We got some dry wood we unloaded. We'll see. We have people come visit. We have fancy food spreads. What the heck?
And
Even the 4th of July crowd doesn't get fancy food spreads like that.
Oh, I dropped it.
Well,
Well,
we
I
have
had-
fancy meat.
I had
Make
it here,
sure
but you
it's
guys were
well
eating.
eaten.
Give the dog it. He'll eat.
Oh yeah, he'll eat
Go.
it. He's like, oh, I saw you drop something.
Brad will eat it. It was literally right there. Yeah.
Hey, you want something? Sit, stay, ready? There you go, good boy. It's raining. Are you determined for those hot dogs? If you don't. Alright, we're out having an adventure. Checking out the river. Showing the Costco's for the first time. What the Clarion River's like. Whew, it's fixed up. It's a little overcast today. It's turning out to be nicer than we thought. Nice upriver. Not so nice downriver. Yeah, probably made the right call not filming.
Hi, Black.
Hi, Black.
Yay! We're at the river.
It ended up being a decent day.
Yeah.
Didn't get to float really. We could have right now, but it just stopped raining.
It was off and on.
Yeah, so it's very pretty.
River feels okay. It's not as cold as I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's really bright. I'm sorry. What the heck is that?
This is not allowed yet.
This is a leaf.
It is still August.
It's not spooky season yet.
It is not spooky season. Gabby, what did you do?
That's a nice leaf.
That is a nice leaf. I wish it wasn't a fall leaf. There's 2 of them. Here you go, ready?
Whoa, nice. Nice.
Not as good.
That was a big plop. Nice job, Ebe.
Yeah, it's pretty. Will you let me get close to you? Nope. Oh, there you go.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's pretty. I usually refrain from saying things about. Look at that thing. I don't know if I've ever seen one that small.
That's so little. He's cute.
Oh,
my.
man. Boy, that's cute.
Little guy.
He's very small.
Came to the top of the tower. First time this year.
2 weeks ago, Tim and Allie proposed to me.
It's rough. Have to stretch.
guys? Pick 8.
8.
I'll do one here and then I'll do one behind me.
Sure.
Where? Over.
That's Tim and Allie. Like a week or 2 ago.
With the wind blowing, that breaks me out to look anywhere else.
Where's that?
Looking anywhere.
It is very cool seeing the storms come in.
Oh yeah.
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
These trees are even getting tall.
I know.
I can't.
That's the best view out that way. Yeah, touch the box for good luck.
Got it.
Going home.
For sure.
Bit blustery.
Is that good?
Good.
A little bit
That's that guy coming in, I think.
There's a lot of shit going through my mind.
Touched it for good luck?
What's happening right now? Yes.
All right.
Yeah. That's good.
Oh yeah, we solid.
Solid ground, almost.
That was neat.
Oh, yeah.
I
Made
like
it.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
It ended up being a beautiful day today.
Yeah, that's crazy.
We're at the Pickle Barrel. What is happening here?
That's nice.
I really like these. Gotta walk around the house this week and figure out where these could go. Because I like these a lot. And I really like these. I think they would all fit. We got a lot of wall space. We can find a place. I'm gonna have to think about that this week. We'll find a place, right? Pizza mountain pies for dinner. Well, your mom made a ham and cheese, but
Yep, ham and cheese and pizza.
yeah, what you got on there?
I got sauce, pepperoni, onions, cheese. You always put a little bit of sauce on this guy.
That's the secret. A little bit extra sauce on the top piece.
These are also
Spray
secrets.
the pie iron.
Onion and garlic.
You gotta season it with the good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Food over the fire. I could do it every weekend.
We do it every day.
I could do it every day.
We're being
Yeah, it ended up
honest.
being a beautiful day. I mean, beautiful relatively. It kind of feels like fall outside, but it's not raining anymore. Big clouds blowing past fast, a little sunny. Very nice. Good day for mountain pie. I'm gonna watch you close this.
My mom kind of like did it the opposite way.
Maybe if you put the bread on your sandwich?
Yeah, well, I don't like it.
Okay. Nailed it. Boom. Boom, nailed it.
Bing, bing, bing.
All right. Happy
These
cooking.
things are like 30 pounds.
Yeah, these Field and Stream ones are like a club.
They're great though.
Yeah, they're good. All right.
Bye bye.
I almost got like the light calorie light sky.
3 sandwiches.
Yeah, I was gonna get White Claw, but then I saw they had mango. and I
It's
was
the
like,
pepperoni.
all right, I'll get one of each.
That's so funny.
Bye, Riley. Bye, everybody. See ya.